Good morning, students. Lesson number 10, Disaster Management. Disaster. Variously dangerous events occur many times in the environment. Those are called as disasters. Some of the main natural disasters are flood, famine, cyclone, earthquake, volcanoes, etc. These are all of a sudden troubles to the mankind. Such events, sudden changes in the environment and thereby cause the damage to it. Environment is also damaged due to use of natural resources for our development. This leads to sudden disasters unexpected to human. This can be called as man-made disasters. United Nations has defined the disaster as the sudden event that leads to the huge loss of life and property. Words like huge and sudden are important in the definition. As the disaster occurs suddenly, it cannot be predicted. Hence, precautions are not possible. Huge losses to the property occur in the area of disaster. These are long-term effects on society. Due to incidences of life and property loss, various areas of life like economic, social, cultural, political, law and administration are affected by it. The life in the area of disaster disturbs totally. There is loss to life and property of the people in distress. Earlier, we have studied various types of disasters and the measures to be taken in the view of disaster. By now, we also know that none of the different disasters are similar. Period of each disaster is not same. Some disasters are short term, whereas some are long term. Reasons behind each disaster are also different. Depending upon the nature of disaster, it can be determined that which component of the environment will be affected more. Students, let us study now types of disaster. Earlier, we have studied that disasters can be broadly classified into two main types, namely natural disaster and man-made disaster. However, we can classify the disaster in other ways too, like catastrophic disaster. For example, cyclones, earthquake, and frequently buzzing cyclones in Andhra Pradesh, which leads to total chaos. Huge loss of life and property in respective region. However, irrespective of all these, life has always returned to normal within short time. Disaster making the impact for long duration, and those whose after effect are either severe or severity increases with time. Some examples of disasters are famine, various problems of crop, strike of workers, rising level of oceans and desertification, etc. Students, disasters are also broadly classified into three more types depending upon whether the disasters that has occurred due to or related to geophysical factors biological factors and man-made factors. The three types of disasters are geophysical disaster, biological disaster and man-made disaster. Geophysical disasters are further classified into two more types: geological disaster and atmospheric disaster. Geological disasters are earthquake, volcano, tsunami, landslide, landfall, soil erosion, alkalization, flood are classified as geological disasters. Next is atmospheric disasters. Hot waves, cold waves, snowstorm, snowfall, cyclone, hailstorm, drought, flood, meteorite and sunspots are some examples of atmospheric disaster. Biological disasters are also further classified into two types: disaster related to plant and disaster related to animal. For example, disaster related to plants are forest fire, fungal infections and growth of weed. And disaster related to animals are cholera, malaria, hepatitis, plague, which are related to infections of viruses, bacteria and parasites. Insect bite of poisonous animals are also examples related to animals. The third type of disaster, which is man-made disaster: war, bomb blast, forest migration, terrorism, rape, child labor, which are international concern, and poisonous gases, atomic test and accident are also included in man-made disaster. So students, today I explained to you about disaster, the sudden event that leads to the huge loss of life and property. The three types of disasters are geophysical disaster, biological disaster and man-made disaster. Geophysical disasters are further divided into two more types. First one is geological disaster and atmospheric disaster. Geophysical disaster causes due to internal earth processes or sudden and extreme changes in the atmosphere. For example, earthquake, hot and cold waves, snowfall, landslides, etc. Biological disasters causes due to sudden growth of certain kinds of plants and animals or microbes. There are two types: plant related disasters and animal related disasters. The third type of disaster, which is man-made disaster. It causes due to man-made factors like as industries, technological research, etc. are also further classified into two types. First one is unpredicted or unintentional disaster and intentional disasters. That's all for today. Thank you.